Hello, I'm Brent Stevens. I'm the Executive Director of the Workforce Development Board of North Missouri. It's great working with the job centers. It's making an impact in the region, and seeing the work that we can do in our job centers really makes a difference. All of our services are great here. I think we have the opportunity to really make that difference in the community when giving those services. But I think it starts with the basic of making sure that we're connecting the dots between job seekers and employers. And so it's that job matching piece that I think is very important to what we do here at the Missouri Job Center. Also, I think some of my favorite program is probably the on-the-job training program, where we're able to put an individual at a work site that they may not have quite qualified for, but they have some skills that are relevant there. And so we reward that employer that took a chance on our employee by reimbursing some of those wages that it costs to train that individual. And I think the outcomes of that program really work well for both the job seeker and the employer. Come on in, we're here to help. I mean, just give us a call, come to the center, and let us know what your needs are. We have a solution to help fill that need. Whether you're a job seeker, we're able to connect the dots to get you to an employer in the area or get you the skills and training necessary to get you available for that job. Or as an employer, we're here to listen to what your problems are. And if one of our programs is right to help you solve that problem, we're going to be able to talk to you and help offer that program. And if our programs aren't right, we work with a multitude of partners, and we know a partner that probably can help with that exact problem you have. And so even if we can't fix it and help you solve it ourselves, we're able to connect the dots and get you to the right organization that can help you.